At night I went to bed, to be temporarily dead. But the things didn't go as said, as you too will see it ahead. My parents were snoring in such a tone, giving clarity of a headphone. The two snores in combine, and I was praying to the divine. I woke them once, I woke them thrice, leaving me in cries, resulting each time the snores went nice. I tried to cough, I tried to laugh, I even sat in the middle, unable to solve the riddle. My anger went to the core, in proportion to the ever-increasing scorn, turned me from a herbivore to a furious carnivore. I tried the max, just to relax, but the interrupting ringtone made me unable to answer my own phone. I kept my head below the thick soft pillow, and the decibels did follow, making the idea full hollow. The whole night went, with my sleep indent. Next was the morning, and I was the one mourning.